Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by opening Microsoft Designer and loading the project you'll edit. Click directly on the canvas or open the Layers panel and select the background layer. This ensures you modify the right element. If you want to preserve the original, duplicate the page or choose Save a Copy now. Once done, the background controls appear in the right-hand Properties pane. Make sure that pane is visible so you can access Fill, Image, and Color options without delay. Next, decide whether you need a solid color, gradient, or an image background. Choose Fill then Color to pick solid hues or gradients and adjust angle or stops for depth. For images, select Background Image, then Upload or choose Stock. You can also drag and drop directly onto the canvas. After selecting the asset, use the Fit options, Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, or Position to control how the image crops and scales, because that determines focal content and visual balance. Finalize by refining opacity, blend modes, and subtle blur so the background supports text and key visuals rather than compete. Make sure contrast remains accessible. Adjust text color or add overlays to maintain readability. Once satisfied, lock the background layer or group it to prevent accidental changes. If things look off, troubleshoot by checking the source image resolution, toggling fit modes, or replacing with a higher resolution asset. These fixes resolve most quality and cropping problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.